Everybody, how you can see, today we're planting a avocado with my parrot Chica. Yeah, so we have already this root, and I'm gonna first show you guys what are we gonna use. First, we're gonna use this pot. Second of all, we're gonna use clay pebbles, and I'm also gonna use this avocado tree soil. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start by putting the petals in. If Chica I'm gonna be moving, so Chica is probably gonna sometimes fly away. So yeah, first of all, we're gonna use this. Oh my gosh. Those are chocolate beads. Look at it. She's talky. She's super talky, guys. Who doesn't know, she learned how to talk, and now I'm super annoyed by it. Are you slow? Okay, she was just pretending to get my attention. That's what she... Girl, stop. Oh my gosh, it's really hard to make a video with a parrot. Girl, stop. She's going on the chair. I'm getting annoyed by her. So guys, we have to put... Okay, so guys, look what I did. My mom is right now filming, and Chica just flew on her, and never mind. And we have to go all the way to here, and it's so we don't see the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna turn to natural. I just showed you how this is supposed to look. Now we're gonna put the soil in. The avocado tree soil. I'm sorry to be so acidic. We're gonna put it we're gonna put it all the way here. Let me show you guys. We're gonna put it all the way here. Actually, let's do it right here, because our pebbles are here, and our soil should be somewhere here. Yeah, or actually somewhere here. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, now it's time to do the soil. Actually, I'm gonna do my soil. I get you, girl. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in a second. Oops. So it's somewhere here already. Somewhere here, we're gonna do more. Guys, I'm gonna show you in a second. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, my parrot just likes to fly around. Can you be quiet? Okay. Girl, I don't want to be rude, I'm sorry. So guys, I made this hole now, and I'm gonna put my avocado. I'm kind of scared. Oh my gosh. Chica, can you help? Okay, you're not helping. And oh my gosh, do I need to remove this? Oh my gosh. Do you got any? No. My parents just thinking, what the heck?
Your mom also.
My mom also, yeah. Chica, yeah, I forgot to tell you. Don't do the whole thing. You need to leave half of it. Not half of it, but yeah, half of it, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, we're gonna spread it like out right now. We're gonna like help it like this right now. And like, yeah. We're like helping it with our fingers. Is it time for water or still? Oh my gosh, my parrot just got on my mom. Yeah. So I'm gonna. So now we're gonna add like a tiny bit of water. I don't think this is a tiny bit, but who cares? Like we're gonna add like this tiny cup of water right now. Is this enough? More? We finally did this! Girl, you were not helping, but who cares? You were helping with your cuteness. Oh, there's a tiny leaf here. Okay, so guys, we're all done with this. So we have like this thing, and we need it so like all of the, like so like if water goes out of there, it's like in there and not on the table. And like yeah. So guys, we did this. It was so fun. It was so fun to do it. So guys, be quiet for this, mom. Okay. She's doing it. So guys, get your likes on. Likes, please. Yeah, I'm not trying to push on you guys. Look how pretty those leaves are. So guys, like and subscribe if you like this video. Actually, if you guys made this or you just watched it, still okay. You can still like and subscribe. Guys, remember about the goal, about 5,000. So guys, I hope you really like this video. Like today we made this avocado thing. So I'm gonna end this video right now and I'm gonna say bye to you guys. Bye. Bye. Bye bye bye. So bye. Have a nice day. Bye.